Hey, thanks for coming over. Huh? Oh, yeah, please, come in. It's pouring. You're literally soaked. How long have you been waiting out there? A few minutes? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just got out of the shower. I didn't mean to keep you waiting. I woke up super late, and then I had to eat, and then I had to shower, and... Okay, yeah. I know I did invite you over to help me name my plants and stuff, but... Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. How have you been? Okay, that's good. Oh, me? I've been okay. It's pretty uneventful, but at least I got these bad boys. Do you want to see them? Yeah, come over here. Okay, so this one is a Boston fern. Aren't they just so cute? Some even call them an air purifying superhero. Another cool thing about them is that they both love humidity and can act as a humidifier. Though, in case you were planning on getting one too, they're kind of hard to take care of. I've never had trouble with them, but apparently one of the most common reasons they die fast is because people overwater them. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I can get really into these things sometimes. I know. You didn't want to hear me lecture you on plants. Huh? It's okay. You wanna hear me talk about my interests? Thanks. That means a lot to me. I want to hear you talk about your interests too. Anyway, naming. I only have one idea. Christopher. Shut up, don't laugh. It's very serious and he can hear you, you know. Okay, fine. If you think it's so terrible, what's your idea? Oh my god, I'm sorry. That's atrocious. Yeah, I know mine isn't much better, but jeez. I think he might shrivel up and die with that one. Okay, let's forget about Christopher for now. How about this golden pothos over here that I got yesterday? They're sometimes also known as Devil's Vine because of their impossible to kill nature and due to the fact that they can survive in dark conditions. It is also the only known species in their family that doesn't produce flowers. Sorry. I know I'm doing it again, and I know, I remember what you said, it's just... Yeah. Thanks. Oh, wait. That actually isn't a terrible name. I was literally thinking President Plant, but that sounds way more regal. Okay, I like it, thanks. Okay. Honestly, I think those are the only ones I haven't named yet. I might have been bored while eating, and then... Yeah, well, me, Toadette, Jeffrey, and Winston. No, I think you're lying to yourself if you don't think these are the best names ever. Oh, huh? Why did I even ask you to come over in the first place? Well, I guess I just wanted to spend time with you. It's been a while and I miss seeing your face. Shut up, it's true. Anyway, it's getting a little late. I know I kind of just asked you to come over on a whim, so it's okay if you're getting tired and need to head out. Oh, you want to stay over? Because it's raining really hard. I guess it was pouring a while ago. Although I haven't heard anything recently, but yeah, I'm sure that makes sense. Yeah. What? No, of course, it's okay that you can. It's just... It's been a while since anybody has spent the night. I'm just really unprepared. My whole place is a mess and... The floor? No, you can take my bed. It's totally okay. Sometimes I sleep on the floor for fun. I'm serious. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I know things have been a little rough lately. You seriously deserve the best. Do you want to go to my room now? Yeah? Okay. I've cleaned up my room a little since you last saw it. I hope it's okay. I'm glad you think it looks nice. Is my bed comfortable enough? Okay, good. No, yeah. The floor is seriously okay. You look a little tired. Do you want to go to sleep now? Okay. Good night. Sleep well. Hey, are you awake? I guess not. Well, I'm just glad you're here. Like, with me, I suppose. I'm really happy you're my friend. You've helped me get through a lot of hard times and you make me feel like I matter and can do literally anything I set my mind to. You're incredibly encouraging and light up my world. I just love spending time with you and wish I could be with you every single second of the day. It took so much for me to muster up the courage to ask you to come over today. Sorry, it was just bad timing on my part. I know you were probably getting ready for bed and I don't even know why I asked you to come over, and I also don't know why I'm apologizing to the wall and saying this when you can't hear me. This is like practice for when I finally decide to say this to your face. God. Even when you're not awake, I can't say any of this properly. I'm not good at any of this. Sorry, I know you told me that self-deprecation isn't that good for me. And you also told me not to apologize so much. Sorry again. I mean, not sorry. Alright, starting over. I should really plan this out. Well, but then it wouldn't feel that natural. Whatever. Basically, I'm saying that I don't want to be friends anymore. Oh, holy crap. Maybe I should write that down. That came off the complete wrong way. I mean that I want to be more than friends. I mean that I want nothing more than to spend the rest of my life with you and make you happy. But I don't know how to say that in a way that will win you over or sound coherent or charming. I don't know how to get you to like me. And I keep reading up on all these how to get somebody to like you pages like any of that will work. This is just honestly the first time I felt this way towards anyone, and I don't know how to deal with it, like, at all. I've tried asking my other friends for help and stuff, but just none of it sticks. And, like, I would usually go to you about stuff like this, but I obviously can't. This isn't something you vent about. Like, hey, person I like, I've been having difficulty telling you that I like you. What should I do? And the thing is that I've wanted to tell you this for what feels like forever. But every time I'm about to, my throat just closes up and my mind goes blank. I thought about writing it out, but I'm not even a good writer. It's just so much. I guess I'm just scared you won't feel the same. That our friendship will be over if I tell you how I really feel. Every day it just gets harder and harder to keep all of this inside. I just really, really like you. I just don't want you to know yet. I'm scared. Really scared. And also really tired. Good night, Wall. Oh, huh? You're awake? Oh my god, I am so sorry. How much of that did you hear? All of it? Somebody please put me out of my misery now. I'm so sorry. You weren't supposed to hear any of that, and You feel the same? Really? You do? Oh. Wow. I really wasn't expecting this. You feel the same. Even after all of that. Especially after all of that. Is it okay if I come up there? Yeah. Of course I want to cuddle. Come here. You seriously like me? Thank you so much. You mean the world to me. Okay. Why don't we actually go to bed now? I'm really tired, and I'm sure you are too.